Now I'm gonna have you lift your right leg. And what I'm doing, when she lifts her right leg, I'm gonna look at the SI joint, the movement of the SI joint and the ligaments around the SI joint and how they move. So lift the right leg. Okay, and then the left. One side feel tougher than the other, the right side?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I'm gonna do a leg check. The legs are pretty even there. Feel for the SI joints. She's got some spring in there, so let's cross the right leg over the left. And I'm gonna do a couple of drops. With each drop, that hip's gonna move a couple millimeters. We'll also get more motion in the SI joint. Okay, uncross. Now we're gonna recheck, lift the right leg. Is that easier?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Lay on your right side. Alright, cross there. Relax here. Alright, let's do the other side. And that popping, that cracking that's going on in our spine, it's kind of like when you crack your knuckles or pop your knuckles. It's just gases being released out of the joint, so it just restores better joint mobility. Okay, let's go on your back. And relax this leg. Loosen up your hip joint here. Relax. Okay, and then scoop down. I'm going to adjust her middle back. Cross your arms. Come back, take a deep breath in. Let it all the way out. Good. Come on back. And last is the neck. You have any stiffness going on in your neck?
Not really.
That's it.